The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Now, I am going to show you a video that is circulating on social media that will show that you must take your time when you're on the road driving. You see what I say? Because this one is very brutal. This video happened somewhere in the United States of America, and it shows of a man that survived a very horrible car accident. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the video right about now. But before I show you the video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
The lady with the yeah, no, we got the light, and he was speeding with the Porsche. Yeah. And the lady with the SUV just got his way.
Oh shit! So it was the lady's fault, but it's still his fault. He was speeding.
You okay? They were speeding.
You alright, bro? He got,
No, stay there. Stay there.
Yeah. The guy hit me from the back. I mean, I was on my way, and all of a sudden, shit. Thank God I'm moving out of Miami 5 years.
So I was over there like about a time, I'm like, bro, the guy left you by himself, man. You get out of the street.
Bro, we're at that light right there. Boom!
You guys don't know.
Sir, stay there, okay? You okay? You okay? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, he's feeling better. Just stay there, man.
Viewers and subscribers, wanna be very careful upon the road. Believe me, wanna be careful. This video shows me of a man that is in an accident and him survive. And it's not him alone in the accident, because other people's vehicles were damaged. However, they escaped with minor injuries. You know, but this man, like, his car was really totaled. You see me? Like, look at the condition of the car. Everything is gone. Wheel, this, that, everything is gone. And yet still this man is right there. He's probably sitting in the car right about now and ask himself a question like this, saying, am I alive? Or he probably ask himself, how this happened? Because sometimes things happen so fast enough, viewers and subscribers. You don't even know when it happened. You see me? And when it happened is one, but if you would have known when it was going to happen is the other one. You see me? Because you know that give you a little time ahead for know, so yo, don't do this because that is going to happen. That coming like some time travel thing. But we are not time travelers, so the best thing we can do is just take caution. You see me? For John, when I see this, I have to say, whoa. You see me? Some people call it lucky, but me look on this and say this a Jah works. You see me? A wicked car accident that and the man escape with just injuries. You see me? He's still alive, him there, him alright. So uno just take on the time on the road. It better you arrive safe than not arrive none at all. Alright? You don't know me go there, so for giving the best advice and keeping up to date and posted. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. You see?